Hello guys, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use iron fallout remover. Now the wheels aren't too dirty, but the barrels are the worst part. So I'm going to show you the steps on how to use it properly. So let's start by taking the wheel off. Now you don't have to take the wheels off, but I had the opportunity to, so I took them off just so it made it easier to clean. Now, the first step is to give the wheels a really good rinse down. You should do this with a pressure washer or even a hose, but where I was filming this I didn't have access to either of them, so I had to use a portable washer. Now that you've rinsed your wheels off, the next step is to spray a wheel cleaner onto the wheel, and then let it sit and then agitate it with some brushes. Now that the wheel cleaner's been sitting on there for a couple minutes, you want to get your detailing brush and just get into every nook and cranny that you can, and give the tyres and the wheel a really good clean. Now we're dealing with the barrel of the wheel. I don't think it's ever been cleaned, but we're just going to give it the same process as the face of the wheel. Now after just giving it a quick clean, the barrel's already looking better. Now it's time to use the iron fallout remover. You want to just spray this like you would with the wheel cleaner and then let it sit and do its magic, and you'll know this by the purple colour. Now the wheel's been left to sit for a couple of minutes, you can see the colour's really changed, and that's when you want to start agitating it with brushes. So let's do that. Now I'm going to rinse that iron fallout remover off the barrel of the wheel and then move on to the face of the wheel. Now it's the same process with the face of the wheel. Spray the iron fallout remover on, let it sit, then agitate it with some brushes, then rinse it off. And now that the wheel's been rinsed off, that's them finished. Now these wheels are looking much better and really decent for a 14-year-old car. Now there's still some imperfections with the barrels of the wheels, but if we compare them to what they looked like at the start, they look much better. Now let's chuck the wheels back on the car. thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it helped you out, or maybe even enjoyed the video. But please comment down below, like this video, and subscribe if you're new to my channel, or you're watching my videos and you're not subscribed. But we're getting really close to 800 subscribers, so thank you for all the support recently. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.